Hi, welcome back, everyone. Zach filling in for Megan this morning. He'll be back here at 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. We're looking from Killeen, the Dodge Country skyline with the camera, back out towards the northwest. And you can see the dark clouds. These storms are out near Goldthwaite, so that's like 70 miles away. You can't actually see the storms themselves, but we are seeing at least the dark cloud cover back out in this direction. These storms popping up out kind of a dividing line between dry air across West Texas and the more moist air across our part of the state, and this stuff is moving out of the southwest back towards the northeast. Not severe weather, but you could see some small hail in some of this stuff, and rather some strong gusty winds and very light rains. We're not talking about much more than 1/4 inch of rain out there. The rest of us probably not going to see any of that kind of action at all. We're going to stay hot and dry. It's still 96 degrees in Waco now, 91 in Temple and in Marlin, 92 in Cameron, 91 down Georgetown way. Going to go with a partly cloudy forecast for tonight. High humidity thanks to the very strong breezes out of the south and southeast, 10 to 15 miles an hour and gusty at times. 73 is our forecast low for tonight. Tomorrow, it's going to be hot and it's going to be humid. We'll start out with heavy dew in the morning, cloudy skies, just like we did this morning. Shoot for a high of 96 tomorrow afternoon and a heat index of 104 degrees on Wednesday afternoon. So slow down, pace yourself with that kind of heat. Wind's going to be out of the south around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Here's Maria, Category 5 monster storm, making its way across the extreme eastern portions of the Caribbean right now. Going to be hitting the northern coast of Hispaniola probably this time tomorrow, then making its way back through the Bahamas, it looks like, or just to the east of the Bahamas. And it looks like this is going to be a very strong storm for areas that have already been hit so hard with Irma and to a certain extent with Jose as well, back into that area as well over the last week and a half to 2 weeks or so. So we're keeping an eye out on that stuff. Here at home, again, we're just talking about dry air mixing against very moist air out to the west of us. We're seeing showers and thunderstorms, a little disturbance making its way in. A very weak little frontal system is trying to push its way into the state. That's going to be the focal point for a few showers, but it's not going to do a whole lot of good for us. 40% relative humidity right now, 96 feels like 101 degrees. We do have a south breeze at 14, but that's just very humid air coming in. Here's our forecast map. The future track takes us down to about 77 degrees first thing in the morning. Look at all the cloud cover hanging around here, but not a drop of real rain anywhere around the region for us. So we stay dry generally for the next 4 or 5 days or so. Now there's another front coming our way, probably the early part of next week, and as it comes in, we see a better shot at some rain across the area, although I can't promise you a whole lot as far as the rain is concerned. The autumnal equinox will occur on Friday. What that means officially, the end of summertime for us and the beginning of fall. Looks like a good weekend for high school football Friday night and college ball on Saturday with Baylor at home. Our rain holds off until Monday, possibly more likely Tuesday before we see showers.
All right. Thanks, Andy.
Yes, ma'am.